Ernest Hemmingway said, "Write drunk and edit sober." So what as writers can we learn from this? So probably the main issue we are faced with with aspiring new writers is they love writing, but where do they start? And there is a really simple answer to that. It's start. Just make a start. Start writing. But as you've just started writing, don't keep going back as you are writing to edit on the go. Just pour it out onto the paper, get it all out there, leave it, and come back to it a little bit later on. Some really great copywriters that I follow that are out there that you probably follow yourselves, what they like to do is print it out and read it aloud, and they imagine that they are the reader, so they get a good feel for what they have written. So there you have it. Write drunk, edit sober. Give it a go. Although I wouldn't suggest writing drunk. It's just a phrase.